Assalamu alaikum. I am Abu Yusuf. My student ID is 201153106. My university name is Daffodil International University. Today is my presentation. My presentation topic name is complex number. Now I will explain about it. A complex number is a number that can be expressed in the form a plus bi, where a and b are real numbers and I satisfies the equation I square equal minus 1. In the real number system, there is no solution to the equation I square equal minus 1. In this lesson, we will study a new number system in which the equation does have a solution. The backbone of this number system, there is no solution to the equation is the number I, also known as the imaginary unit I square equal minus 1. Root over minus 1 equal I. By taking multiples of this imaginary unit, we can create infinitely many more new numbers like 3i, I root over 5 and minus 12i. These examples of imaginary numbers. However, we can go even further than that and add real numbers and even imaginary numbers. For example, 2 plus 7i and 3 minus root over I. These combinations are called complex number. Some people find it easier to identify the real and imaginary part if the number is written in a standard form. Complex number standard form description part. Complex number 7i minus 2 standard form minus 2 7i. Description part. The real part is minus 2, imaginary part is 7. 4 minus 3i. Complex number 4 minus 3i standard form 4 plus into minus 3i. Description part. The real part is 4, imaginary part is 3. 9i. Complex number standard form 0 plus 9i. The description part. The real part is 0, imaginary part. Example 1. Perform the indicate operation and write the answer in a standard form. A. Minus 4 plus 7i plus 5 minus 10i equal 1 minus 3i. 4 plus 12i minus 3 minus 15i equal 4 plus 12i minus 3 plus 15i equal 1 plus 27i. 5i minus into minus 9 plus I equal 5i plus 9i minus I equal 9 plus 4i. There really isn't much to do here other than or subtract, add or subtract. Note this parentheses on the first term are only there to indicate that we are thinking of that term as the complex number and in general aren't used. Example 2. Multiply each of the following and write the answer in the standard form. A. 7i minus 5 plus 2i. 7i into minus 5i plus 2i equal minus 35i plus 14i square. Now this is where the small difference mentioned earlier comes into play. This number is not a standard form. The standard form for complex numbers does not have an I square in it. This, however, This, however, is not a problem provided we recall that I square equal minus 1. 7i into minus 5 plus 2i equal minus 35i plus 14 into minus 1 equal minus 14 minus 35i. Thank you so much.